Congratulations! You are nearing the end of this certificate, and it is time to start preparing for your job search. Before you begin, we suggest creating a job search plan. A job search plan can help you establish timelines, set expectations, monitor progress, and adjust as needed to meet your goal of getting a project manager role. And good news, you can use some of the project management skills you've learned to build out this plan. A job search plan is a resource that you create to help you take control of your job search. It enables you to track important data in each stage as you monitor your applications, interviews, and feedback. At each stage, you'll gather information to make decisions, like the number of resumes you need to send out each week, your application to interview ratio, and which types of outreach and cover letter formats are working for you. You can learn more about how to create a plan like this in the course readings. Once you have your job search plan in place, it's time to start thinking about the companies and industries that interest and motivate you. Why? Having an idea about the type of business environment you want to work in helps you gain perspective about the work you want to do and how you want to bring value to an organization. Do you see yourself as part of a large organization or in a small business? How flexible are you about location? Is there a specific industry you prefer to work in? Take this brainstorm one step further and put it on paper. Create a target company list. A target company list can be as simple as listing out the companies you think of in a spreadsheet or digital document. If you're not sure where to start, there are plenty of resources online where you can find out more information on different types of companies. For starters, you can use professional online communities and networking sites like LinkedIn to research companies and connect with other professionals. Career sites like Indeed and Glassdoor offer job postings and career tips to assist you during your job search. You can also read employer reviews and find salary information. Also, by setting up alerts from job boards, you can see what new opportunities are available and look at in-demand skills for industries that appeal to you. Another great way to gain insight about a company is a simple one. Talk to the people who work there. Search within your network to see if you know anyone at companies that interest you, and send them an email or a message on LinkedIn. This also can work for people you don't necessarily know, but are interested in their career path and organization. Request an informal and informational interview. This will allow you to understand how the company works and common qualities people have in the roles you are interested in. Ask them, what is it like to work as a project manager for a big company? Or, what was your experience like managing projects at a startup? Or even, what was your career path that led you to this company, and what has your path been at that company? Also, it's equally important to share your story and why you're interested when doing your outreach. Typically, the people who reach out to me that I end up responding to are the ones who share a personal story with me. I find them compelling and sincere because it shows initiation, motivation, and authenticity, traits I find prevalent in the most successful project managers that I know. Lastly, if you're still unsure of which industry or company may be the best fit for you, it's helpful to seek some advice from people whose career you admire. These people can often act as your career mentor. A career mentor is someone who shares their own experience and knowledge with you in order to help you achieve your professional goals. In fact, my career mentor led me to Google. This person, whom I've known for over a decade at this point, was the one who introduced me to my role here. While we were only colleagues to start, he became someone I have grown to trust and admire and seek guidance from. Knowing my experience and working style, he recommended I apply for my first role here at Google, and here I am. So the moral of that story is to connect with a network of your people and resources to improve your job search and be intentional about your next step. Also, and maybe most importantly, be true to the passion about why you want to be a project manager. Is it that you want to help other people bring their dreams to life? Is it that you have a dream you want to bring to life? Or maybe it's that you have a craft that you want to explore and try. What drew me to the project management role was this idea that you can make something that was just an idea a reality. There's nothing else like seeing something come to life right before your eyes, knowing that you played a key role in the launch and success of a project. It's exhilarating. Once you've thought through these things, both in your head and into an actual plan of action, your next step is to start applying to open roles at these companies. Check out the readings and activities on how to optimize your job application process by adjusting your resume, writing professional emails, and tracking everything in your job search plan. Enjoy, and I'll see you again in a later course to give you my tips on how to have a great interview.